What is up, guys? Cody here with CJ Built, and today is basically going to be an update video on the car. I'm going to be talking about some of the stuff I did to it this weekend that I didn't really get a chance to film, and also upcoming mods I'm going to be doing to it, as well as just a mini walk around just to show like how it's sitting right now for those of you if you're new to the channel. But before any of that, I want to give a quick shout out to SXE Kings who sent me this dope beam shirt. It was even customized on the back, says CJ Built. In the back was SXE Kings. Huge shout out to them. A shirt like this, they have also Is300 shirts that are actually like really dope. I'm gonna order one soon. The link will be in the description below. That way you can go check them out, see what kind of shirts you want. They also have decals, banners. You know, check them out, bro. Support SXE Kings, all Is300 crew. Alright, back to the video. Let me show you what I did this weekend. Alright, so this weekend I was able to put on the turbo blanket. I had attempted it before, but I wasn't able to do it because the springs that came with it, I wasn't able to wrap it around because I was having issues with the wastegate. So this weekend I finally attacked it. I used safety wire instead of a string. Instead of the spring that it came with. So I finally have a proper blanket instead of the shield that I had there before. So that's looking cleaner. I was also able to mock up a possible intake piping for the turbo, because right now I just have this net because I don't have any room to put a filter or anything. And online, what a lot of people do is they run a pipe that goes from the turbo to here and then all the way across, and that's where they put the filter. But I don't know, I find that kind of an eyesore. It takes away from the motor. And I'll put a picture here, that way you can see what I'm talking about. I'm not a real big fan of it. I think it looks, I'm sure it works and it's probably functional, but I think it takes away from the motor and just makes the engine bay look very cluttered. So let me get the piping that I mocked up this weekend so I can show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, I found some piping lying around in my garage and just decided to see if there was a possible way to mock up an intake for this. So what I have right now, let me put it in position. This is a rough draft, and I just cut some piping and got some couplers to be able to get the shape that I wanted. But basically, it's going to be something like this. On the bottom here is going to be a filter. I might make this shorter because I don't want to sit too low down there. But it's basically going to be like that. It's going to sit like this and go down, then the filter is going to sit around here. I already ordered a filter. I have a filter here, but it's too big. I need something kind of small, especially because this turbo is small and the inlet on the piping is like 2 inches. So I was able to find one online. Hopefully I'll be able to mock it up and it works well, because I definitely don't want the pipe going all the way across the motor like that. If any of you have a beams and are watching this, let me know what you think about this design. It should work. I don't see myself running into any problems. I'm gonna be moving the power steering reservoir a little bit, so that way it's not really like on top of it. I already have it, so I can move it. Just right now I just left it chilling because I don't know how much I'm gonna have to move for the piping. But as of right now, that's how it'll sit basically. I'm gonna end up making it one solid pipe, so that way I don't have like 3 pipes chilling there. So it'll be one pipe from the turbo all the way down, and then the filter will be there. So I think it should be good. You know, I need a filter on this turbo. I hate running this turbo without a filter, but there honestly isn't room right now. So hopefully soon I'll be able to get that filter mocked up, and I'll film it once we install it so I can show you how it is, see if it makes any cool turbo sounds. As for mods on the car coming soon, I'm planning on doing exhaust later this week. I'm going to be doing a resonator delete on the piping I have now because it has an Apexi muffler on it, but the resonator keeps it so quiet. It kind of sounds like the Evo, to be honest. It has just like that really, really low rumble that you can't hear. You can't hear the exhaust over the motor. You don't hear the exhaust, like, period. All you hear is motor sound and blow valve. And soon I'm going to be putting on new wheels. To change up the stance a little bit. I'm going to be going up to 18s instead of the 17s I'm sitting on right now. So stay tuned, I'm looking for that video. All I need really are tires. I already have the wheels. Just little things here and there. I'm also looking to get a new head gasket and some studs, so that way I can go get it tuned. Yeah, I want to be able to have the exhaust done, the intake done, and then head gasket studs. That way when I go get it tuned, it's all ready and it can perform at its full potential. But yeah, guys, for right now, that's really how it sits. If you want, let me show you guys the interior for those of you that are new to the channel. Their right-hand drive life. It's raining right now, so I don't really want to open the garage. I was gonna do a drive around in the car today for another video, but I think that's gonna have to wait because it is raining outside right now, and I don't feel like driving in the rain. These headlights are yellowing. I need to do the headlights soon. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this short video. I just want to give you guys a quick update because I had been receiving DMs and messages about showing the process on the car. I know I haven't really modded the car much, but soon I'm going to be doing a lot to it. It's just a process, you know, it's expensive. But once I start attacking it, it's going to be fun. The vision I have for it, if it all comes out how I want it, it's going to come out really good. The rims are going to change the stance completely. I want a new grill, but before all that, I want to get the motor done. I want to do the tune. I'm shooting for around 300 wheel for right now, since I'm going to be on stock internals. And then once I finish the exterior, I'm going to re-attack the motor and shoot for 400. But for right now, that's how she sits. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out SXC Kings. Link will be in the description below. sxckings.bigcartel.com. So that way you can pick up one of these dope shirts. Or if you want to get an Is300 shirt, they on there. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah!
Riding in the third with the all black tent. Smoke one hoe, get high with a pimp. Kick the front door, bitch, better bust out. Sipping no dip while we break down the lap. Just know one thing, I don't